What's up everybody, this is Reverend Guns. This channel focuses on firearm safety, training, and maintenance. Here you will learn how to safely check your firearm and make sure it is not loaded. You will also learn how to disassemble, clean, lubricate, and reassemble your firearm. I'll even show you how to install replacement parts and troubleshoot issues with your gun. All of my videos are done in real time so you can see everything being done. I try to explain everything as detailed as I can. My goal is to educate even the people new to guns and shooting how to handle and maintain their firearms safely and responsibly. I will be adding more firearms as often as I can. Go to reverendguns.com if you're interested in having a private lesson or having your gun featured in a video. I'm always looking for more guns to make videos. Don't forget to check out our online store and help us spread the faith in firearms. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves you progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you can print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.